I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with Tremendo. Had to get it off the mental.
Yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video. Hey, it's cold out here, man. This is like the first time we ever seen snow in years, guys, so it is looking good, man. It is cold, ice everywhere, man. Y'all see I got my work boots on, but it is cold, so I gotta make sure I step with no rush because it is cold. It's got ice everywhere. So today I'm gonna start all the cars up. That's crazy. And see if my old school start up. So let's get it, man. Let's see if they gonna start up. All right, so the mirror didn't go down on this one. Shit, it's probably not gonna be a good idea to, you know what, let me go get some water, y'all. All right, guys, next in testing, let's see if the Camaro will start. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're gonna let that sucker run for a little bit, y'all, and let it run. So I'm gonna see if this one will crank as well. Damn, door don't even want to. There you go. Had to play with it a little bit, man. It might be dead, y'all. Oh shit. There we go. This Old Faithful right here, man. Old Faithful right here. Oh, not Old Faithful, Old Lucy, man. Ooh, Old Lucy. Been with me for a long time, man. Never gave me no issues, man. Never gave me no issues. So, I'm gonna take this key off. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all down real quick. All right, so we got this one running, man. It cranked up, barely cranked up, but it cranked up, y'all. Door wouldn't open up, but let's see what the crossfire gonna do, man. Y'all see it, man. I'm gonna have to call you back, man. I'm gonna have to call you back, brother. Take this thumbnail picture. Bam, I got it. Y'all see it got the lights on right here, so let's see if this one gonna turn on too, man. Just going around turning them all on. Oh shit. Open. Cold as heck, man. Ah, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all can, man, go ahead and crank y'all cars up, man. You don't want them suckers to go dead. I'm gonna let these suckers run for a while, but as of right now, this one ain't turning on. Well, the door wouldn't open, so I think we can fix that. Let's see. Mirror just don't want to go down. All right, let's see, guys. There we go. Yeah. All right, guys, what y'all think, man? We got all the cars on right now, man. We letting them all warm up. So yeah, this like our first time, man, having snow in years, guys. Like, it's crazy. In years. Look at all that snow. Look at that, man. My fingers, I can't even feel my fingers right now. I might have to go back inside, man. Hey, CG on 32s, man, I feel you out there in that snow out there, man. I definitely can feel you out there, brother. But yeah, let me turn this camera around. This is crazy, man. Look at this. This is my driveway right here, y'all. It's my driveway. Yeah, look at that ice right there. Let's see if we can step in it real quick. Oh yeah. Look at that, y'all. Oh shit, damn. I almost fucked myself off. For real. Look at that, man. That's ice. Look at my horse, man. She is not liking it. Not liking it. But yeah, man. I bet my lock on the gate is I bet I can't even put my key in that lock. Oh, cold, cold. Yeah, that's ice right there. Yeah, buddy. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's all locked up. Froze up. That's crazy. So, you know for a fact we ain't going nowhere today. If y'all ain't gotta get out, man, don't go out, man. It's bad, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Thank God that we do have power, guys. We have power. Most people don't have power right now. So we have power, but our pipes did freeze. But you know, we took care of that last night. You know, we got some water in the tub, and we just pretty much gonna take a bath with that water. We're gonna heat it up and things like that, man. So we pretty good on that. So, but yeah, all the cars is heating up right now, man. So I'm gonna let them heat up, and then I'm gonna come back out here, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see, man. But y'all see them pipes? Yeah, all them pipes. Got the truck running, man. Oh, Lucy. Oh, Lucy, man. Leave this one a little. Yeah, I'll close it. Shit, I got the other key in the house. Just in case if it want to lock. But yeah, I'm going to get back with y'all in a minute, man. Alright, guys. So I do have to walk back here to see if we still have water in the well. If not, then you know, we still good because we still got water. Like I said, we got water stashed away, so we can be prepared. So what I'm about to go do is see if some water will come out of this well. If it does, then I'm gonna come out here and get my bucket and fill it up with water, and that way we'll have more water just in case. But we'll see if it's gonna run, man. Let's see, guys. Okay, so it looked like the valve is not one to... Alright, and I don't want to break it. Yeah, I don't want to break it, guys, so we're gonna leave that alone. Definitely gonna leave that alone for now. But y'all, just take a look. Just take a look at all this snow, man. Look at this. And actually, it's really not that cold, man. Now that I went inside and came back out, it's really not that cold. But we do have ice. Look at that. We do got ice. Definitely got ice, man. Look at that. Definitely got ice, man. So, oh man, this feels weird stepping on this. Heck yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. This is the whole thing of ice right here. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. My horse right there. Yeah, buddy. It's a lot of patches of ice. As y'all can see. A lot of patches of ice. I would get on the ground and do a snow angel for y'all, but I don't feel like getting dirty right now, man. Then I don't have a camera lady or cameraman, so can't do that right now. But I got all the cars, they running right now, y'all. They all running, even old Lucy running. She's still running. Old Lucy. Old Lucy, man. Lucy take care of me, man, for real. Turn them headlights on. Let's see what the temperature got up to. Okay, it got up. So we can actually turn these off now because the temperature is going up. Headlights running, man. Yeah, y'all see it? Y'all see it, man. Let me get another thumbnail picture like that, man. Like that. Hold on. Another thumbnail picture. Like that. Bam. Whoo, shit. Yeah, buddy, man. Definitely got ice. Now, I told y'all that it wasn't that cold. Now it's getting cold again, y'all. Definitely getting cold again, so. Alright, man. Ice. Let me close that up. Close that back up, man. Alright. So the Camaro shut off by itself. Let's see what the temperature got up on this one. Real quick. And yeah, the temperature got up on this one too. Yeah. Turn that off. Alright. So let's try it again. Oh yeah. Yeah, we good, man. On to the next. Alright, let's go. No pops? Guess we ain't getting no pops today. Yeah. Let me turn this thing off, y'all. Alright, so now I gotta turn old Lucy off. Fingers up, I don't care about the pains. Yeah. I ain't more concerned with stacking these figures. Let's turn old Lucy off, man. No, I'm not concerned with none of these. Let's turn it off. She called my Put that in first. Turn the headlights off. Let's see if she'll crank back up, man. Look, no pedaling on the gas, man. Y'all gonna see that right now. Look at that. Watch this. Look at that. Lucy is the best, man. She always been there for me. Why not give y'all some exhaust notes on the truck as well? Y'all hear them pops? With that being said, guys, it's your boy King's Life, man. Checking out with a new video, man. Make sure y'all be safe out there, man. Hey, if y'all got snow in y'all area, hey, go outside and experience that, man. If y'all haven't never experienced that before, because I'm definitely liking this, man. I just don't like the cold. I can't feel my fingers, but hey, we're gonna be all right, man. We about to go inside, get some coffee, drink some coffee, man. We're gonna stay warm all day today. So if y'all ain't gotta go out, man, don't go out on these roads, man, because it is dangerous. Don't do it, guys. Don't jeopardize your life or somebody else's life, man. I care about y'all. I love y'all, man. King's Life, checking out with a new video, man. I'm out. Peace.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your window. Had to get it off the mint.